We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Johnson County and Ellis counties until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Alvarado on I-35W, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Once again, a tornado warning has been issued for East Central Johnson and for Ellis counties until 10:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Alvarado, moving to the east at 55 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.